हमारी पिछली वीडियो में हम लोगों ने बात की थी अबाउट रोनाल्ड रीड who was ended up making $8 million in fortune. Now do you know this guy? इनका नाम है रिचर्ड फुस्कॉन and he had everything which Ronald did not have. He was an MBA from Harvard and was so successful in his career that he took early retirement in his 40s. But what happened to him? Was he as successful as Ronald? Or did he leave behind such a huge fortune? Nahi. In fact, he went bankrupt. You must be thinking, आखिर कैसे एक हार्वर्ड का ग्रेजुएट, एक हार्वर्ड का MBA bankrupt हो सकता है? It's purely because of financial choices he made. In mid-2000s, Richard purchased a house which spread over 18,000 square feet. और ये घर इतना बड़ा था that it had 11 bathrooms, 2 elevators and 2 swimming pools. And can you imagine the monthly cost of maintenance of this particular house? $90,000. When the financial crisis hit in 2008, it severely affected Rich. He went bankrupt, or bankruptcy proceedings में he told the judge that he currently had no income. Now, if you compare these two stories, these stories raise fascinating questions. Are financial outcomes driven by luck or efforts? Does our background and experience have anything to do with the financial decisions we take? And are there any tips and strategies to become financially successful? We'll discuss about all these topics in our upcoming videos.